second combination. Here we are in open position. We're going to do a few basics. Step, pivot, step, pivot, step. And as I pivot, I'm going to give an outside turn with my left hand or right hand. Outside turn. I'm going to bring her in for an inside turn. I'm going to catch her shoulder. I'm going to give her another inside turn, catch her shoulder. And then at this point, as I push her into an outside turn, I'm going to wind up so that I'm prepped on my left foot to spin, do a free spin. I'm going to use that momentum and catch her, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, bringing her around for the dip and a flick, and you're going to catch back and open. We'll do it one more time. We'll do it from a different angle, and step, pivot, step, pivot, step, pivot, outside turn, catch the shoulder, outside turn, catch the shoulder, wind up, free spin, catch, and 1, 2, 3, dip, flick, catch. And that is the first